am I always at a view? I mean, you can't blame me. It looks nice. And the sunset, sheesh. But yeah, guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys smash that like button and subscribe button as well. And today's video, we're probably gonna be talking about my exhaust setup versus my friend's setup. He has a E93 335i. It's a M55, so it's the same motor and everything. So let's see how they sound. Hope you guys like the video. Car is too loud. But it sounds nice. Damn, bro, that MHD tune makes a difference, like a huge difference. But I'll let him know to give you guys a rundown of his car and what he has done. But yeah, well, I'll see you guys when we get there. I'm dead, bro. I feel like we're too obnoxious with these pops. Like, it's too loud. Like, it's crazy, bro. Oh, fucking sexy ass food. What's up, guys? So we're here at the parking lots, and we finally are gonna compare our exhaust. And this is my friend, the owner of this E93, and he's gonna give us a rundown of what he has done to his car so far.
All right, so this is my 2012 BMW, the 335 E93. All I have done to it is just a downpipe and a stage 2 MHD tune. That's pretty much it. For the exhaust setup, all I have is a OEM performance exhaust from BMW, so it sounds pretty good. Nothing has been cut, just obviously the downpipe. Still has mufflers, so yeah. And then,
guys, this thing sounds nice on the highway and on the streets, bro. Like when it's accelerating, the exhaust sounds nice. But yeah, so if you guys didn't watch my last video, I'm gonna basically explain what I have done to mine. So I basically have no mufflers. I cut those. I have a catless downpipe and a charge pipe, and I also have a blow-up valve. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start comparing our exhaust. I'm gonna set you guys on that tripod over there, and let's get started. And now he's gonna give it a couple revs and see how it sounds. Yeah. All right, go for it. That shit's wet. Alright, guys, so my friend's gonna give us a rundown of what he's gonna do next to his car, and yeah, go ahead.
so next thing is I want to get the front mount intercooler and the charge pipe so I can go stage 2 plus, and then I want to mix my fuel.
The whole ass vlog. God damn. Alright, cut. And now he's gonna continue with what he has next for this car.
All right, so what I want to do is go stage 2 plus. Right now I'm just rocking stage 2, so sooner or later I will be getting everything that I need to run stage 2 plus.
Nice.
The next thing will be upgrading my brakes to F82 brakes from my M4, the big 4 piston calipers in the front and the 2 piston calipers in the back with rotors as well.
Nice.
Do the conversion kit and then from there I would like to wrap it, and then once my wrap is done and everything is set cosmetically, then I want to do a upgraded turbo as well, but that's gonna come with time. So that's pretty much what I have planned for it as of right now. So yeah.
All right, guys. So I'll give you guys a look around of his car. This car is so much better looking in person, as you can tell. The camera does not do justice for it. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, this shit's nice. Low-key jelly, man. Low-key jelly. Just clean. Imagine these all set up already. Yeah, clean as fuck, bro. All right, let's check out his interior. And he just cleaned it too, so extra shiny. The interior is extra clean. Like, this whole setup, the metallic on black, it's super clean. The steering wheel is pretty nice as well. But yeah, I've driven his car once, and the steering wheel was pretty nice, like super grippy, super beefed up. It's nice. It's clean and it's fast, bro. It's fast. Yeah, guys. Here are both of the cars. Dude, it looks so amazing together. But for me, like, I want to upgrade a lot of things and just mod it, but I got things to fix, like this. Unfortunately, this happened, and it wasn't my fault. It was done when I wasn't there. But yeah, I gotta fix that and take these wheels to get powder coated again. And what else? On this headlight. This headlight keeps fogging up, and right now it's clean, but when I wash it, it fogs up. So I don't think it's the headlight itself, because I already replaced it. As you can see, it's not a original BMW, but it's hella, so it's by BMW. But yeah, I gotta fix that. So I know now it's not the headlight, it's probably one of the modules. The seal is probably cracked, or it just doesn't work no more, so I gotta replace that, and then we'll be good. But yeah, so I gotta fix that, the damage right here on the side, and that's pretty much it. But yeah. Well, it's been a couple days since those last clips you guys just seen. Right now I'm taking my wheels to get powder coated again by Bulletproof Coating, and I've been driving for like almost an hour, guys, and there's been a lot of traffic, and it's been so hot, and it's just been a combination of the two worst things ever. But we're not that far from the place. Alright guys, I'll pick up the camera once I get there to show you guys what I mean of what I'm fixing. So I'm fixing it right now just because I have warranty still, and might as well take advantage of that. So yeah, that's just too far. I live in Santa Ana, and it's like an hour and like 40 minutes away from me, and like, bro, it feels like I've been driving for like forever. It's just crazy. Alright guys, so where are the damages at? So it's like here, and like minor things on each wheel, like this, like that, and just like minor curb rash. It wasn't my fault though. But yeah, they're here. They're Bulletproof, San Bernardino. Check them out if you're around the area. But yeah, now I'm about to head out, go home. Got a long drive, but we'll get there. So it'll take about like a week, they said. So we'll be waiting for that. All right guys, it's time to head home. But shit, goddamn, it's an hour and like 20 minutes to go home, and it's super damn hot. Look, it looks like I'm in a desert, no cap. Crazy. I know recording this was kind of random, bringing my wheels to get powder coated again, but I felt like I I felt like the video was gonna be too short. Damn, bruh, what are you doing? But yeah, I felt like the video was gonna be too short, so I decided to do this and record and make the video, I guess, longer so you guys could enjoy the video. So it won't be short, you know. But yeah, that's why I decided to record, and here I am. Look at this. 20 minutes of traffic. Ah, fuck. I hate my life.
I'ma knock her down, same way I hit her up. Now he on the ground, ambulance pick him up. Ambulance